guys, welcome to my channel and my very first video on YouTube. It's taken me a while, but here we are. Today I'm going to show you my classic everyday makeup look partnered with these awesome magnetic lashes from Lash Lovin You. Just look at how seamless and full they look. I am absolutely in love with them, which is why I'm doing this tutorial. But stay tuned though, there is a discount on your first set. Thanks guys for watching. Okay, so first things first, I've already got my face half done, eyebrows, contour and bronzer on. I'm just going to be putting on some lip balm for a hot second, but as you can see I've still got some lash extensions in. But one of the things I love about Lash Lovin You's magnetic lashes is that they're absolutely perfect for that in-between look when you just can't get in your next lash appointment. Okay, so here's me just sanitizing my hands because I don't want to touch my face or my eyes or anything like that with dirty hands, as you should too anyway. Here is Lash Lovin You's box. So it comes in this packaging in this matte black and gold. So here we are. I'm just gonna open it up. So cool, it already comes with the tweezers. How good is that? Yeah, these are awesome for putting on these individual lashes. Can't wait to use these. There is the case. I love how it comes in a case. It just really protects your lashes and keeps them looking good for a much longer period of time. There you go. Take a look at that. So that is the set, a magnetic lashes set in Bella. How beautiful does that look? So I love that whole wispy look. It just looks so natural. So as you guys can see, here are the magnetic lashes. So you've got the strip lashes and then you've got the 6 of the individual little magnets to hold the lashes in place. So at the very top on the strip lashes, you've got a magnet on each side and a magnet on the middle. And so as you can see on the bottom as well, so you've got different lengths for each of the little mini magnets that will let your lashes stay in place. So as you can see, I've already started by putting the long strip at the top, and then you've got the lashes that are actually there's magnets on 3 points of the strip lash. So you got one on the side, one on each side, and then one in the middle. As you can see now, I'm trying to put the one in the middle corner, in the inner corner. So my trick for this one is I found that the easiest way to put this on for me personally is starting from the outside, working your way in. And now on to the next eye. So yep, I've already got the top one on my eye. And then I've got the one on the outer corner. And I'm just fixing it up. There you go. And that's it for the tutorial on how to put on your magnetic lashes from Lash Lovin You. And as promised, here is your discount code. I'll link the website below and hopefully you can get your first pair. Thanks guys.